Goes to
Isla Denebs from Alcobar, Saudi Arabia.
we have people from everywhere.
Yes. Isla Denebs, any representative or the blogger herself or himself,
We're here, raise your hand. Going
Here.
once, going twice. Well, congratulations.
congratulations.
Oh,
Oh, that's him!
Is it the Nelson Budget Award? Yes. That's Nelson Budget.
Okay. The name of the blog is Isla Denebs. Is that the Nelson Banyes? It's only the blog name. Yes, one. Jinx, help us out here. Okay, congratulations.
I'm sorry. In behalf of Nelson Bandias, my name is Rolly Mosencio, accepting the award. I first met Nelson sometime in 1986. He was the secretary of Tanghalang Filipino. That's the theater company, resident theater company that was representing the Philippines. And then eventually I left the theater to do something else. And pretty soon I found out that Nelson, well, I didn't know that he eventually left for abroad. And I guess like a lot of our friends, we really don't know when they left abroad, but we do know bakit sila umalis. And malungkot na nasa ibang bansa sila, pero alam din natin ang dahilan kung bakit nasa ibang bansa sila. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin sa kanila na tumigil na sa pagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa. May dahilan sila kung bakit sila nandun. Ang responsibilidad lang siguro natin na mga narito ay alalahanin kung bakit sila nandun. At sana, hindi magtagal, bumalik rin sila dito para, kasi yun ang nadarama. So maraming salamat sa organisasyon na to para sa award nito. So congratulations again to Nelson. I'm very proud to be his friend. Thank you.
Maraming pong salamat, sir. And congratulations to Isla Denebs. Thank you very much, sir.
There being one, most of these sites that